I have my carpets cleaned once per year. Is this adequate? Also, I know that when you clean my carpets, you remove dirt and soil. Will the method you use also remove things like pollen, bacteria, outdoor pollution, and so on, as well as things like residue from cooking oils and nasty dust mites we all have in our home? And Nancy, what I would advise we do there is understand the different types of cleaning. So first of all cleaning we carry out will be started using a commercial grade vacuum cleaner to remove the dry soil inside the pile of the carpet. That's very important. And then after that, we've got different types of soiling. You've got soluble soil, non-soluble soil. So that means the vacuuming will remove the non-soluble soil, the dry soil, the sandy grit, etc., and also any pollutants that's removable by a vacuum cleaner. And then after that, we have water-soluble soil, so that means just simply rinsing the carpet with a cleaning solution that would remove that. We then have water-soluble soils. Just as I said, the water will remove that, and then we need to use a detergent to remove other soluble soils. That's a little harder to remove. And then we also have solvent-soluble soils. That means we need to use a solvent. That's usually specific stains, lipstick, oils, greases, etc. You'll talk here about cooking oils. So definitely we will use a cleaning solution there that will break down the oils and remove those. If it doesn't remove it, then we've got specialist stain removers that address that. So our cleaning process would remove that. There are rare cases we cannot do that. Now, Nancy, what you know our company, what we would do is come out and have a look at it, or you can send us a photo. And if we feel that result is not going to be as good, then we will certainly tell you that. Or worst case scenario, while we're busy working, we'll call you in, we'll show you what we can do and what we can't do. There are sometimes limitations of what can be achieved, and we'll certainly let you know, but you know our company long enough now to know that we can do that. So if you are looking for a cleaning company that can take care of this, maybe you're watching this video and you're not local to our area, and you think, how can you do this? Look for somebody that's going to have some training that will use different types of products, different types of cleaning solutions, because you have to follow that dry soil removal first with a commercial grade vacuum cleaner. Then after that, you'll apply a pre-cleaner that releases those soils from the carpet, and then a spotting process that removes those spots and marks from the carpet by using a special agent. And then also very important to bring you in and tell you what can be done and what can't be done. And many times that requires a site survey if you have any marks or stains that need special treatment. Also, my advice would be make sure you advise the company you'll be using of those marks that you are concerned of, so they know earlier on, so the outcome you're going to get is more in line with what you're expecting. So that would help. And Nancy, thank you very much for your question. I trust that answers that for you.